Sogal Padang Balai Kemi Ketenat Communication but Development of Northeastern Region Joyti Raditya Scindia ulapan kan mau bau mencang bak kajelau konrat kisang ma ujulaj hakam rajang ban pan ya ke Eropleiñ he ne ki Boeing ni ki Airbus ki balak ban kit breus pangot na umroy ha bakran ha sora sisa jang sitri unai wing ajal pesan Scindia ya thu bau konra wanted ya ke Jingkhang Jong bolapan ya giling sun he ban wan dem bat he na umroy nama ba ya mental he tangki Eropleiñ rit wal kepat gi paj ba ban ai gi jing thap keti ke bajam nam tau konrat alokani Scindia ong ba jing pen he ya kat ling sun umroy ban don giling sun ki ba kham he kan yarap ya jing keu state ha jing pen he ling sun manau snem ban kentiu ya kam chingok kai ha ka ba ki breu na kaleng ginwan ban mat ya ka jing itnat kemareng ha mikhalya Scindia pun pauru ba jing pen he ya ka runway jang ka kat ling sun ha umroy ba Shillong Western Bypass ke batamai kan pendunai ke polej jinglej ha pedeng ke Guwahati ba sora sya kumba sau kentai ke ban penjan susu ya kan ni ka tan sya ki jaka jingok kai ba ki jaka khai pateng
banged on my door and he broke my door down. We need a loud round of applause for Comrade Sanmai. Now you ask me why I'm asking you to applause. Because he said, Scindia ji, mujhe nahi malum, I don't know. But I need an extension of my Umroy airport. Right now only small ATRs can land. I want Boeing and I want Airbus. 2,400 meter airport you have to give me and you have to fund it. I said, brother, I stand with you. You give me the land, I will have it funded from Civil Aviation Ministry and we will build the Umroy airport. And I'm glad today that that project is seeing the light of day. Now think about it, one airport, but it will bring the world to Meghalaya. It will bring the world to Shillong. It will bring the world to Sora. It will bring the world to Doki. It will bring the world to Rangchalan to see the living root bridges. Let the world partake in the blessings of Mother Nature that Meghalaya has to offer.